Welcome back to our channel. Today is day 2 of tearing out. We're tearing out all the walls today, and then we're gonna try to leave the floor for last. Are you ready?
Well, yeah. You know.
Yeah. See how far we'll go, because this man is trying to tear out every wall, everything. But stay tuned. So far, he did this wall. Now he's working on that wall. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot removed. Now we are on to this side. Can't really do nothing because that's still connected and we don't want to turn it down yet. So we're on this side now. So far so good. Welcome back to our channel. Today is day 3. Yesterday I didn't finish posting me recording, but this is so far what we got. We just tore this off. But yeah, sorry I didn't post yesterday. We went to go eat dinner for Junior's dad's birthday. And I wasn't gonna record that because he was fat.
Birthday.
Yeah, it was cousin's birthday yesterday. Grandpa's, cousin Alexis, and cousin Papa Ruth's birthday.
Yeah, we had you.
Okay? So we are back and we got mask. So now we have to work our way that way. So stay tuned and you'll see. It's gonna be a time lapse because it's gonna take a long time for it just to be recording. It's gonna be a long one video. So stay tuned. You'll see.
Sailors, it's just you and I, exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know.
So far so good. Let's move around. So we're right here now. Our pantry door. Get off. Like this. Now it's time to do this side. Here, all of there. I think right here. That's it. Almost done. Huh? What'd you say? Hey? What'd you say?
Almost done. You got all these.
In that side of this corner too.
Almost done America.
America. So stay tuned. You'll see the finished product of us, all of it out. Day 3.
My tropical love, I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love.
Okay, so this is so far what we got. I'm tired. So we got all of this. Got up here. And we're stopping right here. We have to take all this bad sheetrock out, and insulation. You know, right here. Take out that sheetrock, and I think there's insulation. But yeah, I think after we're done, I think we're done right now. We have to go to the dump because the truck is filled. So stay tuned. I have my mask on because I ain't trying to inhale nothing. And little one out there. But yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And put on your post notifications so you can be notified when we upload a new video. So stay tuned. Stay tuned.
3 hours later.
So far we have this all out. All this. You can't really see over here because, yeah. So we got everything out. So tomorrow is the floors. I would turn the camera to my face, but I need to take a shower. I am darker than God knows what. But yeah, stay tuned and you guys will see tomorrow's vlog. I'm gonna try to upload it today. If not, it will be uploaded in the morning. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And put on your post notifications so you can be notified when we upload a new video. So stay tuned and we'll see you tomorrow.